Gone.
What was gone?
The word. Right in the middle of a sentence. In a meeting. Everyone watching. And my brain just deleted it.
You were already speaking?
I was doing great. And then, nothing.
5 phrases. That is all it took to save that sentence.
Stay with us.
Hey, English learners. Welcome back to Spoken Warm. I am Mia.
And I am Leo. And yes, that really happened to me.
Before we go into it, type the last word your brain deleted mid-sentence. Just the word. Right now. In the comments.
We read every single one. And we reply to every single one. So, here is what happened. I was in a meeting, explaining a project update. Everyone listening. I felt confident.
And then?
I said, so, the next step is to...
And?
Nothing. The word for what we needed to do, just gone. Like someone opened a drawer and it was empty.
Mid-sentence.
Mid-sentence. My boss watching. My colleagues watching. Everyone waiting.
That is the worst kind of freeze.
Because you cannot escape. You already started the sentence. Everyone heard the first half. They are waiting for the ending.
You cannot just say never mind.
You cannot. You are committed.
And what saved you?
3 words.
3 words?
3 words completely changed that moment. I will tell you exactly what they were in just a moment. But first, I want you to understand why this happens. Because once you understand, the 5 phrases make complete sense.
So why does this happen specifically mid-sentence? Why not at the start?
Because at the start, your brain is fresh, ready. It has not used anything yet.
But mid-sentence?
Your mouth is already moving. Your brain is planning ahead, searching for the harder word that comes next.
And sometimes the search takes too long. Your mouth catches up, and your brain is still looking. Like a car that runs out of petrol on the motorway. Everything was moving, and then stopped.
Exactly that feeling. And here is the important part.
This has nothing to do with how much English you know. Nothing. It is about speed. Speaking speed versus thinking speed. Every speaker faces this. In every language. Now, the 3 words that saved Leo, plus 4 more phrases that save any sentence. Are you ready? Because once you know these, you will never panic in this moment again. Phrase 1. This is what Leo said.
Let me rephrase that.
Say it with us. Let me rephrase that.
Let me rephrase that.
3 words. And they changed everything. Because instead of finishing the broken sentence, you start a new one. A simpler one.
So I said, so the next step is to... Let me rephrase that. We need to review the budget one more time.
You never found the original word.
I did not need it. I described the idea differently.
The sentence was saved.
Completely saved.
Phrase 2.
Give me a second.
Say it with us. Give me a second.
Give me a second.
This one is powerful. Because you are naming the pause. You are not just going silent. You are telling the room, I am thinking. Give me one moment. Because instead of finishing the broken sentence, you start a new one. A simpler one.
And the room waits without awkwardness because you explained it.
For example, the next step is to, give me a second. Yes. Review the timeline.
Phrase 3.
What is the word for...
Say it with us.
What is the word for... What is the word for...
This phrase lets you describe the word instead of knowing it.
For example, the next step is to... What is the word for when you check everything is correct before sending?
And someone says, verify?
Yes, verify. The next step is to verify the budget.
The other person helped. The sentence continued.
Conversation is teamwork.
Quick question. Which phrase would you use first? 1, 2, or 3? Tell us below. Just the number.
Phrase 4.
You know, the thing where...
Say it with us. You know, the thing where...
You know, the thing where...
This is wonderfully natural. Native speakers use this all the time.
For example, we need to do, the thing where you check everything twice before sending.
The listener fills the gap because they want to understand, and you gave them enough to help you.
And phrase 5.
I will come back to that. Say it with us. I will come back to that.
I will come back to that. This one is for when the word truly will not come, no matter how long you wait.
You simply move forward, continue your point, and mention you will return.
For example, the next step. I will come back to that. But first, let us look at the timeline.
And usually, by the time you return to it, the word has come back on its own.
Because the pressure is gone.
Now, I want to tell you something that nobody in English teaching ever says clearly enough.
Go ahead.
Native speakers do this too.
All the time.
Listen to any native speaker giving an unscripted talk. Count how many times they say or let me rephrase that, or, the thing.
It happens constantly.
Even in their own language. Because thinking and speaking at the same time is genuinely hard.
For everyone. Every single person. Every single language.
So when this happens to you,
You are not behind.
you are exactly where every speaker is, managing the gap between mouth and brain.
The only difference is, now, you have 5 phrases.
To manage that gap smoothly, confidently.
All right. Quick word tour today. 3 deep words. Let them stay with you.
Word 1, rephrase.
To rephrase means to say something again in different words.
Let me rephrase that. Could you rephrase your question?
Use this whenever a sentence is not working. Start fresh. Different words, same meaning.
Say it with us. Rephrase.
Rephrase. Word 2, trail off.
When your voice trails off, it means you stop speaking gradually, mid-thought.
His voice trailed off, and nobody knew what he meant.
Or, I trailed off mid-sentence and had to start again.
Trail off describes this moment perfectly.
Say it with us. Trail off.
Trail off.
And word 3, filler word.
A filler word is a small word, like or that gives you time to think while speaking.
Native speakers use filler words all the time.
Filler words are not mistakes. They are normal speech.
Is not wrong. is human.
Say it with us. Filler word.
Filler word.
Today's 5 phrases.
Let me rephrase that. Give me a second. What is the word for, the thing where... I will come back to that.
Write them down. Say them out loud right now. Use one this week.
And tell us, what word has your brain deleted mid-sentence before? Just the word. Drop it below. We want to build a list of the most common ones.
If this episode helped, subscribe to Spoken Warm. New episode every week. Same warm, same real.
See you next week, English learners.
Take care. Bye for now. Happy learning.